Myself, K.Narayana Reddy. I am from Aptitude channel. Today in this class, I am explaining about linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. What is meant by linear equation? What is meant by variable? Variable is nothing but changes the values step by step. That is variable. That is not a constant. Okay? For example, x, y, z, etc. Next one is linear. What is linear? Linear is nothing but numbers or digits containing on a line linearly. Arrangements of a line. Suppose linear is nothing but arranged in a line. What is a line? This is a line A, starting point, and this is B, ending point. These are the linear points lying on a line AB. That is linear. Okay? That is suppose if x plus y is equal to 3, it is a line. It is the equation of the line. Okay? I will tell you in the future class those things. Okay? Now, represented by lines. AB is a line, CD is a line, EF is a line, different lines. That is called linear. Okay? So, variable is nothing but it can change the values, it can be constant, and linear is nothing but points arranged in a line. That is called linear or represented by lines. Okay? Again, expression. Already I told you in last classes what is an expression, what is an equation, what is the difference between equation and expression. But I will tell you something about now. Expression is nothing but x plus 7 containing one variable. X is a variable. Here x is a variable. So which is one variable. Take another expression. 2xy plus 3. 2xy plus 3 means here x and y are variables. That is two variables. Okay? This is expression containing two variables. This is one variable. Because which containing only one variable x is containing two variables x and y. That is the difference between two variable expression and one variable expression. That's all. Next one is equation. Already you know what is meant by equation. Equation is nothing but containing equal symbol, equal sign. That is this one. So this is left side is expression, right side is also an expression. Already told in the last process what is the difference between expression and equation. So this is an expression equals to 3. So this is an equation. Whenever two expressions are equating with equal sign, that is called equation. Already told. Okay? So x plus y is equal to x plus 9 is equals to 3. Same manner, 3 by 7 x plus 7 equals to 5. This is the equation with one variable. That is x is a variable here, and here also x is a variable. Okay? Next one is linear equation. Linear equation, symbol. What is linear equation? The expression we use to form equations are linear. The expressions, what are expressions? These are the expressions. X plus y, x plus 9, 3 by 7, x plus 7. These are expressions. The expression we use to form equations. To form equations means what? This equation. 3 by 7x plus 7 equals 5. That is equation. Okay? 3 by 7x plus 7 equals to 5. This is equation. Individually, left side is an expression, right side is also an expression. Those are equating with equal sign. That is equation. So, the expression we use to form equations are linear. Which forms linear equation? Yes or no? Why? Because whenever you draw a graph, where you can get a line, straight line, that is linear line. That is linear. Okay? Next one is linear expression. Already know what meant by expression. So, highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. That is called a linear expression. So highest power how much? 1. What is power? Exponent power base. Already told difference between power, exponent and base. So take x. Take x. X to the power of 1. Yes, optional exponent is 1. Yes or not? Optional is 1. There is no power containing x. That is option is 1. Because x is multiple 1 and exponent 1, which you can read as x to the power of 1. That means x containing power as 1. That's all. But individually 1 is exponent. But we can read as x to the power of 1. That means x containing the power as 1. That is the difference between exponent and power. Okay? So this is 2x plus 9 is a expression containing highest power as 1. That is expression. Some other expressions are also there containing power exponent, power as 2. Those are not linear expressions. I will tell you. Okay? See here. Below expressions are not linear. For example, 8x square plus 7, y square plus 6. Why? Because highest power of the variable greater than 1. What is the variable? Already you know. X, y are variables. Highest power means 2. 2 greater than 1. Y square 2 greater than 1. That is why these expressions are not linear. What is the condition for linear? Always power of the variable is 1 or exponent is 1. Okay? That is linear. These are not linear. These two expressions are not linear. Why? Because variable, power of variable is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. Those are not linear. Okay? Again, linear equation one variable, very very important. Linear equation one variable. Already you know linear equation one, that is power is 1. But one variable equals to one variable. That means whenever we will deal with equations with linear expression in one variable only. That's all. Already equations deal with expression one variable only. Here one point which you have to observe carefully. Linear equation containing linear expressions. That is the most important part. Linear expression is an individual entity. Linear equation is not individual entity which is equating with equal sign. That is the difference between linear expressions and linear equation. Again I will tell. Linear expression containing individual entity. Linear equation equating with equal sign. That is the difference between linear expression and linear equation. So this one, whenever we deal with equations, that is equating sign, containing equating sign, with linear expressions in one variable only. So such equations are known as linear equation in one variable. Means, example, 4x minus 7 equals to 18. 4x minus 7 is equal to 18. 4x minus is an expression. 18 is another expression, which are equating with equal sign. Yes or not? So, in 4x, x is a variable. X variable containing as power 1. X is x to the power of 1. That means x is containing power as 1. So it is linear. 4x minus 7 equals 18. This is the equation. Yes or not? Equation means if containing LHS and RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. That is equality. This is equation. Totally it is equation which is equal sign and which is variable. Variable has power as 1. X has power as 1. That is linear. So this linear expression in one variable, whenever containing a linear equation, linear expression as variable 1, that is called linear equation in one variable. So what is the difference between linear and non-linear? Linear containing only x variable as power 1. Otherwise it is not linear. Okay? Linear equation what? One variable. Linear expression as one variable. The linear equation containing an expression, linear expression. That linear expression containing variable power as 1. Whenever the power of the variable as 1, at that time that is called the linear equation with one variable. Okay? That is the difference between linear equation and the linear expression. Okay? See question regarding linear equation. Solve linear equation 4x minus 7 equals to 13. 4x minus 7 equals to 13 is a linear equation. Already know. X has power 1. Okay. Linear equation 4x minus 7 equals to 13. Okay, given that one. This can be solved in two ways. In two ways you can solve this one. How it can solve? 4x minus 7 equals 13. This is one way. 4x minus 7 equals to 13 means 4x equals to, whenever minus 7 goes to right side, that is plus, it becomes plus. 4x equals to 13 plus 7, 20. Okay? X equals to 20 by 4, nothing but 5. That is the solution. X is equal to 5 solution for linear equation 4x minus 7 equals to 30. Okay? This is one way. Another way is 4x minus 7 equals 13. That means here you can add 7 on both sides. Because whenever equate sign is there, you can do the properties, you can apply the properties equally on both sides. That is left hand side and right hand side. That is the rule in mathematics. Okay? So add 7 on both sides. 7 on both sides. It becomes 4x minus 7 plus 7 and 13 plus 7. Okay? 7 gets cancelled. And 4x equals to 20. X equals 20 by 4. That becomes x equals to 5. So here x equals to 5, here also is equal to 5. But anyway, both are same. There is no difference between the answer. So the x is equal to 5 is the solution for the given linear equation. Therefore, x is equal to 5 is the solution for given linear equation. Okay? So in this way, you can find the solution for a given linear equation in two ways. There are so many problems comes under these linear equations. Some big problems also come. You can do problems patiently and remember all the rules in mathematics. At that time only you can get mathematics easily. Otherwise it is a problem. Okay? So practice this problem depends upon these rules and regulations. Okay, dear friends? This is about linear equation in one variable, and I will do some other problems regarding this in future classes. Okay? Thanks for watching Math Aptitude channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Math and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.